Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get grills on Dress Room Press for your teeth. So grab these earrings. Also, you do need VIP and a Runway Diva crown before I start. And also use the smile. Hopefully you have it in the non-custom makeup. I'm not sure though, but it is required to use this smile. Position the X to 0.53, the Y to 0.39, and then, oh my gosh, the new adjustments are kind of shaky. The Z to 0.46. And then rotate the X to 0.37. The Y to 0.51. And the Z to 0.32. You're going to scale it all the way down to a 0. I think I might move this a little bit to the right here. Yeah. Maybe like X 0.52 instead. And I guess you can color your grills whatever color you want it. Maybe I'll do just like a silver here, like that. And then you're going to need this crown from the VIP section, which is this one here. Color it the same. Position the Y to 0.34, the Z to 0.48, and then rotate the X to 0.45, the Y to 0.51, the Z to 0.51 as well. And we're going to scale it all the way to 0. And then we are going to get the Runway Diva crown, enable VFX toggle. Just going to color it gray, but you don't need to color it. I think it doesn't show that much. Position the X to 0.49, the Y to 0.28, and scale it all the way down to a 0. And there you have your grills. Super cute. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!